Hi everyone! The tender duck meat of Nanjing Salted Duck has some fat but not greasy. Master 3 steps to make your own salted duck. First, dry wrap the duck. Secondly, to stew the duck. And last, air dry the duck skin. I used an Instant Pot to cook the duck today. Save time than traditional methods. First, put salt in a pan without oil and some Sichuan peppercorns. Stir fry slowly until you smell the scent of the pepper and until the salt is slightly yellow. Set aside. Wash the duck to remove excess blood. Wipe off the surface moisture. Remove excess fat. The fat in the tail should also be removed. The duck's tail must be removed, because a large part of the peculiar smell comes from here. Spread the salt and pepper evenly on the duck. Every part of the duck must be smeared. Don't forget spread the salt and pepper evenly on the inside. Massage the duck for a while. Let the fat of the duck to combine with the spices. Let the duck marinate in the refrigerator overnight. After resting for 24 hours, wash the spices off the duck with clean water. With the duck breast side down. If the duck cannot fit into your pot, cut the duck into 4 pieces. Add ginger, scallion, bay leaves, and a small pieces of peel and a star anise. A small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, and a teaspoon of salt. Carefully submerge the whole duck in the cold water. Pour water to 90% full. Move the spices into the water. Close and lock the lid of the Instant Pot. Set the valve to sealing position on the lid and choose the manual program. For this model, press the pressure level, set high pressure. Press manual to cancel keep warm mode and then use minus button to set 2 minutes. When it is finished, the Instant Pot will beep using the natural pressure release until the flow valve drops down. Just remember to have your food thermometer ready. Make sure the duck internal thickest part reaches at least 165 Fahrenheit. Fill a large mixing bowl with ice water. Completely submerge the duck in the ice water for half an hour. And then put the duck into the refrigerator for 2 hours to dry the skin. Finally, cut the duck into pieces. And serve.